Hi, Emma here from Proven Signals. We have just entered a 3-minute binary options trade higher. The buy higher signal was sent in our free Telegram channel. Our binary option strategy is based on volatility, levels, and intraday trading hacks that are back-tested to give you accurate entry points. We see how price is turning up and we are in the money. This is what we want to see. And because our strategy and the signals we send are back-tested and proven to work. We know that we have a high probability of a successful trade every time we buy or sell a binary option. We recommend binary options because they are beginner-friendly and easy to understand compared to other options. Binary options trading offer defined risk and clear outcomes on every trade. They are considered binary because there are only two possible outcomes at expiration: you either make a predefined profit, or you lose the money you paid to open the trade. This makes it easier for you when deciding whether to trade, as you know exactly how much you could lose if price moves against you. And if price don't, you know the exact size of your potential profit, making this a beginner-friendly way to trade. Price is consolidating above our entry level. But the probability is high that price will reverse up again. And a few seconds later, we make a new higher high. Timing is key in binary trading. That's why it's important to think in probabilities and trade signals that are profitable and have a high probability of a successful trade. Trading psychology is also important. We recommend Mark Douglas' book, Trading in the Zone. In his book, he explains that a probability mindset in trading consists of 5 fundamental truths. They are: 1. Anything can happen. 2. You don't need to know what is going to happen next in order to make money. 3. There is a random distribution between wins and losses for any given set of variables that define an edge. 4. An edge is nothing more than an indication of a higher probability of one thing happening over another. And 5. Every moment in the market is unique. So, it's important to trade signals that have a high probability of a profitable trade. And stay disciplined even if your last trade was a loss. Trade expired in the money and a nice win on this signal as well. Click the link in the description to join our Telegram channel. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. And thanks for watching.